What does it mean to be a leader? Is it someone who knows all the answers? Who performs the best? Or is it someone who has been with the company the longest? These are just a few of the common myths surrounding leadership. But if you don't understand what it means to be a leader, then how can you expect to be a great one? So, let's clear the air and explore what leadership actually means. Then, we'll look at the 5 critical functions of business leaders. First is a definition. Leadership is the act of influencing others to achieve a shared outcome or a common goal. Leadership is not necessarily tied to authority or power. It involves mobilizing people and inspiring them to take collective action. So, what does a leader actually do? Or what is a leader's primary role in advancing a company's interests and growth? Here are 5 of the main roles that business leaders fulfill for their teams. First, leaders inspire a shared vision. They answer the questions, where are we going? And how will we get there? They share this vision with everyone in the company to get them on board and excited about it. Without a shared vision, a team's efforts become disjointed and not much gets accomplished. Leaders who inspire a shared vision unite their teams and provide them with a clear direction and a sense of purpose in their work. Teams take concerted action. Second, leaders make things happen. They make decisions, create and execute a strategy, and achieve results through others. Leaders create a strategy or a roadmap for translating vision into reality. They define what needs to happen, which resources to use, by whom and when. That means leaders create not only the vision, but also a plan for how the company will get there. They then execute the plan, manage changes or updates to it, and take responsibility for ensuring its success. The third leadership function is essential. It's to engage and motivate others. The best leaders don't act as lone heroes or team all-stars. Instead, they get things done by unlocking the potential of others. Leaders strategically engage the skills, strengths, and expertise of the people around them. They inspire, motivate, and encourage employees to do their best work. Another important function of leadership is to develop human capital. They invest in the training and professional growth of the people and competencies they need to sustain the company. They help people cultivate the leadership skills they need to manage others, solve problems, and take meaningful responsibility and ownership in the company. Finally, leaders embody company values. In other words, they lead by example. They shape company culture, strengthen the company's identity, and exemplify the character, attitudes, and behaviors that they want others to emulate. Leaders inspire loyalty and respect from others when they themselves act with integrity and goodwill. Altogether, a bad leader inspires fear, whereas a great leader inspires excitement. A bad leader blames others, whereas a great leader coaches others. A bad leader works alone, whereas a great leader works through others. And a bad leader depends on authority, whereas a great leader depends on influence. Understanding what leadership means and how leaders best serve their teams brings you one step closer to becoming a better leader yourself. Avoid the pitfalls of bad leadership and seek opportunities to develop and hone your leadership skills.